Welcome to another Exchange 2016 video. My name is Ed, and in today's video we're going to look at turning on auditing on a user's mailbox. Now you are wondering why you want to do this. Well, if you enable auditing, you can basically track logins to a mailbox, and you can also see what actions were taken by the user once they're logged in. So to do this, you basically need to use or configure it using the Exchange management shell, the EMS, and it's pretty easy to do. So what you can do is you can type in your set-mailbox minus identity. We're going to look at user 1, for example, and you audit enabled $true. So you will probably want to do this for admin accounts as well that are making changes, doing things in the organization. You can obviously also do this across the entire organization by using the recipient filter, recipient type details filter to do this. If you wanted to turn it off again, the simple thing is, or the command is basically the same, but you just set it to false, meaning it will turn it off. So there'll be no logging on the user. And you can press enter again and it will run the command and it will take auditing off. And that's pretty much how easy it is to do that. Now, you can also do audit logging for administrator, delegates, and owner access. And for example, let's say I have user 1 and I say minus audit owner hard delete minus audit enabled $true. As you can see, it's a little bit more advanced than the beginning or the first command that I ran. And there you have it. Now, how can you test if this has actually been set on a mailbox? So what you can do is you can go get dash mailbox. We'll call it user 1. And we can format the list with audit star. And you can see that it is enabled, and basically you can see everything that it's auditing. Audit owner, hard delete, delegates, everything there, and then admin, everything there. And that's auditing. Thank you very much for watching.